1. Kofte ka salna. Steps 1. Preparation of kofte. For the gravy and kofte we need 5 chilies to onion, 15 garlic, 4-inch ginger and coriander leaves. Make a paste and keep aside. 400 gram keema, 5 teaspoon gram flour besan, half teaspoon black pepper kalimirch, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder haldi, 1 teaspoon cumin powder jeera, 1 teaspoon coriander powder dhania. Add half of the paste. Add salt and mix properly. Make small balls. Put in freezer for 10 to 15 minutes. Step 2. Preparation of masala for gravy. For another paste, 3 tomatoes and half fresh coconut. Make a fine paste. In paste 1, add masala like Arabic masala, homemade garam masala, half teaspoon black pepper, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, salt to taste, 1 teaspoon red chili powder. Step 3. Start preparing. Put the gas flame on and heat the oil. 2 tablespoons. 2 green cardamoms, 1 cardamom, 1 cinnamon, and for cloves. Put all paste 1 with masala. Now oil is visible. Move to next step. Add paste 2. Mix the paste and add water. Let it boil. Step 4. Roast the kofte on tawa. Heat the pan in oil. Place all kofte on pan directly from the freezer. Add kofte and gravy. Let it cook for 15 minutes at low flame. We can always say 2. Kuska Recipe. Cut the ingredients. 1 onion, mint leaves, coriander leaves, and garlic ginger paste. Heat the cooker in oil 1 tablespoon. Add chopped onion. Add ginger garlic paste 1 teaspoon. Add leaves. Add water according to rice quantity. Add salt. Soak rice for 15 minutes. Strain rice and place in cooker. Mix and close the cooker. Wait for 1 whistle. See, it's ready to serve.